Hey guys, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian musician. I'll show you two almost identical pieces of music. The first will be sad and the second will be more energetic and lively. As you heard, the melody is the same, so the difference can't be caused by that. Then what makes the first sound sad and the second one more energetic and lively? The answer lies in two elements, the chord progression and the tempo. In a scale, a chord is built on each scale degree using only the notes of the scale. These chords are called diatonic chords. If we use more minor and diminished chords, the piece will sound sadder because of the minor chords and more tense due to the diminished ones. I should also mention that in minor scales, more specifically in the harmonic and melodic minor, the major chord built on the 5th degree can also convey sorrow in a certain way. Of course, a music piece with a faster tempo sounds more energetic and lively. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe for more tips on composition and music theory.